Hey, snazzy second graders. Today we are going to do an informative piece about soil. So let's get started. This is the informative writing rubric that your teacher will be looking at. In case you'd like to see it, you can pause the video and read it more carefully. This is the second grade friendly rubric for informative writing. So essentially you need to introduce the topic, making sure that you restate the prompt. You need to use at least 3 facts about the topic. Make sure you use transition words and provide a conclusion statement. So an example of our good second grade writing is over here. We've got introduce the topic. There are 4 main parts of a flower. Great, I know exactly what this paragraph should be about. Okay, and then 3 facts about the topic and transition words. Here's a transition word, here's a transition word, here's a transition word, and then here's a transitional phrase. So here are our 3 facts. First, there are roots which are underground. Next, there is a stem. It needs to be strong. Also, there are leaves which make food for the plant. Finally, some plants have flowers. The flowers create seeds that will grow to be new plants. As you can see, plants have 4 main parts. Okay, and that was our conclusion statement. As you can see, plants have 4 main parts. And in case you are wondering, that comma is in the wrong place. It should be after the C. Now, here we have a better second grade student example, and the only thing that they've changed with this one is that they have added elaboration or more information about each of their facts. So, there are 4 main parts of a flower. Starting at the bottom, there are the roots, which are underground. Roots pull nutrients from the soil to help the flower make food. Next, there is the stem, which needs to be strong. The stem is an important part of the plant because it holds the leaves and stores nutrients. After that, there are leaves. The leaves use energy from the sun, carbon dioxide, and the nutrients from the soil to create food for the rest of the plant. Last, many plants have flowers. Flowers create seeds so that there will be more plants. Flowers are usually very colorful and pretty to attract bees that will pollinate them. As you can see, there are 4 main parts that all plants have. So if you couldn't tell, this essay is so much more interesting than the previous one. It gives us more detail, and all of those details kind of relate back to being part of the flower. Your prompt for this week is, what are the 4 parts of soil? After reading the text soil, write 1 informative paragraph telling the 4 parts of soil. Support your response with evidence from the text. Now, the text soil is actually your Reading Street text this week, so you will be reading that with Ms. Miranda tomorrow, and you will not be reading it at all today. However, all we are going to do today is write your topic and conclusion sentence, and you don't need to read the text or know the 4 parts of soil in order to write your topic and conclusion sentence, because all you're doing is changing this question into a statement, including the most important parts of it. And you can even include parts like, after reading the text soil, I know blah, 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 etc. But you're just taking this prompt and switching it up just a little bit so that it becomes a declarative sentence. Now, our graphic organizer this week is not a 4-square. As you can see, it's a little bit different. The reason that we are not using a 4-square is because a 4-square only has room for the topic sentence, 3 details, and a conclusion sentence. But there are 4 parts of soil. There's 4 different materials. And so we are using a more linear graphic organizer. So up here is our topic sentence. Then we'll do our first ingredient in soil, second ingredient, third ingredient, fourth ingredient, and then our conclusion sentence down here. So your job today is to take that prompt and turning it into both a topic and a conclusion sentence. Okay, simple as that. It should only take you a couple minutes. I am super excited to see what you guys write, and I will see you tomorrow to talk about our detail sentences.